Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. A private proxy server is a dedicated IP that is being exclusive by only one client at a time, mainly to hide his public IP address assigned by the ISP. In this video, we will show you how to use HTTP proxies on many types of browsers. Open Internet Explorer. On the Tools menu in the Internet Explorer, click Internet Options. Click the Connections tab, and then click LAN Settings. Under Proxy Server, click to select the use of proxy server for your LAN checkbox. Click Advanced. In the address box, type the IP address of the proxy server. In the port box, type in the port number that is used by the proxy server for client connections, by default, 36505. You can click to select the Bypass Proxy Server for Local Addresses checkbox if you do not want the proxy server computer to be used when you connect to a computer on the local network. This may speed up performance. Click OK to close the LAN Settings dialog box. Click OK again to close the Internet Options dialog box. The user and the pass will be asked when you enter the first time on the page. You can check information of your proxy by access the following URL. Open Microsoft Edge. You can click the More button in the top right corner of the window. It looks like 3 dots. Settings. System. Open your computer's proxy settings. Click the switch Use a proxy server to turn it on. Type the IP address of the proxy server and port, default 36505. Click Save. Enter username and password of your proxy to access. You can check information of your proxy by access the following URL. Open Google Chrome. Click Setting. Show Advanced Settings. System. Click Open your computer's proxy settings. Click the switch beneath Use a proxy server to turn it on. Type in the IP address of the proxy server and port, default 36505. Click Save. You can check information of your proxy by access the following URL. Open Firefox. Select the Tools menu. Select Setting. Scroll down and choose Network Setting. Settings. Under Settings you can choose Auto Detect Proxy setting for this network or Manual Proxy configuration. If choosing Manual Proxy configuration, enter the IP address and port for the HTTP proxy server. Click OK. You can check information of your proxy by access the following URL. Enter username and password of your proxy to access.